Book reading, nutrition in plants, raw materials of photosynthesis, water. Plants absorb water from the soil by the process of osmosis. This water is transported to leaf by a special type of tissue called as xylem. So, roots are observing the water from the soil by the process called osmosis. This water should be transported to the other part of the plants by xylem, by a tissue called xylem. Plants utilize carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. The intensity of light at which amount of carbon dioxide using during photosynthesis becomes equal to the amount of carbon dioxide released during respiration by plants is called compensation point. So, the amount of carbon dioxide used by the plants during photosynthesis, which is equal to carbon dioxide released during respiration by the plants, means that is called compensation point or equivalent point. Compensation point occurs at low light intensity, that is during morning and during evening hours. So the compensation point is very low, means that maybe in the morning session or in the evening session, that time only we will get light is very low. Okay, that's why this compensation point, if it is low, means that may be a morning or in the evening time. Site of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis is different in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, photosynthesis occurs in lamellar chromatophores. In eukaryotes, photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast. Exception, fungi. It lacks chlorophyll. So that's why it is white in color. So it do not have a chlorophyll, and also it do not have a chloroplast. That is why it is depending on other for its food. So this is called saprophytic organism. So no photosynthesis occurs here. In higher plants like other plants, okay, so which is green in color, it has a chloroplast, which is the main site of photosynthesis. Chloroplast is also called as green plastid. Plastid was first observed by Haeckel. Plastids are of three different types of the basis of pigments. Pigment means color present in them. The first one is leucoplast, white in color, found in underground parts, which means root. Okay, so it lacks the colored pigment, helps in storage of protein. To store protein means aleroplast. To store oil, eleoplast. To store starch, amyloplast. So these are the work of roots. Okay, so it only getting the nutrient and water from the soil, and it is transporting to other part of plants, and in the shoot system, which is green in color, which will produce also their food with the help of sunlight and also chlorophyll. Chloroplast, it contains green pigment called as chlorophyll. Chloroplast was discovered by Schimper. Number of chloroplasts is variable in different species of plants. In lower plants like algae, there will be only 1 or 2 chlorophyll. In higher plants, they are 40 to 100 plastid. Chloroplasts also have variable shapes. For example, cup shape, ribbon shape. In algae, white is discoidal in higher plants. A typical structure of chloroplast is a double membranous structure having two parts. One is grana, another one is stroma. Grana is a lamellar system consisting of stack of granum lamella, each bounded by membranous box called as thylakoid. So, in a grana, the number of thylakoid arranged in a grana. So, they are 40 to 60 per cell. Number of thylakoid per grana is 50 or more chlorophyll molecules are found inside the thylakoid membrane, where they trap solar energy in the form of small energy packets called photon or quanta. So photon or quanta is nothing but a measuring unit. Grana are interconnected to other channel by Fred channel. Okay, so grana is interconnected to other by a Fred channel. Then stroma. It is a non-pigmented proteinous matrix in which grana remain embedded. So non-pigment means there is no color. It contains enzymes for dark reaction. This is the structure of chloroplast. Mechanism of photosynthesis, light reaction. It is also called as photochemical process. It was discovered by Robert Hill. Therefore, it is also called as Hill's reaction. Site, grana of chloroplast. Light reaction takes place in grana part of chloroplast. The materials, light and water can be used in light reaction. It is regulated by chlorophyll molecules. It consists of 3 steps: photoexcitation, photolysis and photophosphorylation. So first one is photoexcitation. During this process, chlorophyll molecule receives sunlight in the form of small energy bundles called as photons and become excited to higher energy level. So it will convert the sunlight energy into chemical energy. Photolysis. It is also called as photosidation of water. These are the important 1 marks also. Okay, interior questions. It is also called as photoexcitation of water. This takes place in presence of manganese and chlorine ions. That plus and minus symbol is refers to ions. This is the equivalent balanced equation we discussed in the class. Oxygen is liberated. O2 means oxygen is liberated as byproduct, and H plus ions are used for reduction of NADP plus 4H plus. This equations also we balanced in the class. Photophosphorylation. During this process, ATP are produced. It takes place in quantasomes. Magnesium ions and inorganic phosphate is required to convert ADP to ATP. This also we discussed in the class. Dark reaction. It is also called as thermochemical reaction. It was discovered by Melvin Calvin and Benson. Therefore, it is also called as Calvin cycle site is equal to stroma of chloroplast, because the photosynthesis in dark reaction takes place in stroma. So, the site stroma of chloroplast. What they require? They required carbon dioxide, NADPH, ATP and enzymes. It is controlled by light reaction and enzymes. So these are the questions. Osmosis and xylem. Plant absorb water from the soil by the process of osmosis. This water is transported to the leaves by a special type of tissue called xylem. And different types of pigments: leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. Structure of chloroplast, grana and stroma. Okay, so this is the classwork and home test. So learn well and write. This is a worksheet description. So complete the equation. As we discussed in the light reaction, you have to find the balanced equation here. The process of dark reaction. So dark reaction is discovered by site of dark reaction. Raw material used in dark reaction. It is regulated or controlled by dark reaction. Okay. Now the question is given. Answer also given in an unscrambled word. So you have to find out the correct answer. Right, light reaction otherwise called as dash process. Light reaction discovered by chloroplast, discovered by solar energy in the form of small energy packets called dash and dash. Now correct the incorrect statement. Okay, plant can also perform light in the artificial light. If it is wrong means you have to write the correct answer. The leaf is more permeable in aluminum solution. Chlorophyll content is indirectly proportional to the rate of photosynthesis. Okay children, I hope you understood. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can ask me. Thank you children.